Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hoping to get a new Miniverse Lifestyle Home series. Let's see what I get today. I only need 4 more, I think, so hopefully, let's see, the Warblers. Yes, this is the new one. This should be the one on the display box with those 2 little yellow birds. We got a full tank of resin. The birds in here. I bet they're adorable. I almost have the entire series. Let's put their little nest back in there. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny and cute. Look at that. They're so chubby and floofy. I love them. Okay, then we have the bird bath. I like this one. I think it's cool looking. And it looks like it'll be an easy build, and this just kind of sits in there. Doesn't look like it snaps or anything. And then this is the standard package that comes with everything. These snap onto here at the bottom to make a shelf, and then you get tweezers. Here's what it looks like. It looks like a really easy build. So step 1, fill with resin. Step 2, cure. Then we're gonna put this on there and add the birds with a little bit more resin so they can sit on the edge, and then cure it again. Very simple. So I have this one, which feels like there's still a ton left in it. It was from the last bird bath. So I'm just gonna start filling that up. I always keep my extras even if it feels like there's hardly any in there, because sometimes all you need is just like the smallest drop. And honestly, this is probably gonna be enough. There are some air bubbles in here that I can pop, but it's pretty full. And you don't want it up too high or else it's gonna spill into the rim. Yeah, I think that's cute. I'm gonna, should I pop those or not? Because it's also kind of realistic to have bubbles. I might keep them, but I'm gonna hit it with the UV light to cure it, and then I'll be back to do the bird part. I did let mine set, and there was only a few of these little air bubbles, so I was like, oh, that's fine. Then as I started curing it, this massive one came out of nowhere. So that kind of sucks. I don't mind the little ones, but that's a pretty big air bubble there. But that happens. Definitely happens. I could have done it in smaller layers or let it set longer to let bubbles come up. But you do see like lines if you do it in layers. So yeah, can't always avoid it, but that's okay. Now I'm going to add some resin to the bottom of the belly here. Guess I don't want too much, and you shouldn't need too much, but I'm gonna have them sitting next to each other. Oop. Just want a bigger glob of it. There we go. And it's kind of nice because you can hold it by its tail. And let me see if I can set it just like that. There we go. Hit it with the UV. Look how cute he is on there. I like the color they chose too, because it makes the resin, I feel like it blends in better. So I'm going to do the second one, and instead of having him facing straight in, oh, I just realized one's like male and female because they're different. I'm going to have him slightly angled towards her, like they're hanging out. I think that would be cute, and I think that's actually how they have it on theirs too. So let's see if I can squeeze a little dollop out. They're still pretty much in here. There we go. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. Let's put him kind of like that. I think that's cute. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think it's very cute. I could put a little resin on here, that way it would be attached. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet. Otherwise you kind of have to hang it or else it kind of falls around. But I think this is a really cute one. That was very easy to do, not complicated at all. And I do have a couple more to collect, so if you want to see me build them, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.